What's up, guys? MADRAM11 here. Just figured I'd give you guys an update. As a lot of you know, we got this 2020 Polaris RZR Pro XP 4-seater. This thing's been an awesome machine. It's a loaner from Polaris, so about to take it back to the dealership and send it on its way. But figure we give you guys a little recap and tell you what an awesome machine this thing is. We really enjoyed it, from taking it to the King of the Hammers. You know, we took it out there and wheeled a bunch, did some pre-running in it, and it loved the desert, especially with the longer wheelbase, and tore the whoops up, and man, really had a good time with it out there. Taking it to AOP and Blue Holler and a bunch of the other parks out here in the southeast, and it's just a great machine. It works well everywhere, really. Highly recommend it. Polaris did a really great job with this machine. One of the big things about it is how much more room it has inside. So if you've ever been around the 4-seaters, you know that they don't have a lot of room in the back seat. But Polaris really did a great job with this one. As you can, like, I'm about 5'11 and a half, give or take, you know. And I have plenty of room back here, road back here. So bigger guys, 6 foot plus, fit back here, no problem. You're not cramped. It's actually really comfortable. The factory harnesses make it really nice. The seats are good. You know, it's just all around a great machine, and hate to really have to give it back, and because we've had a good time with it, and hopefully get something else soon. But just figured give you guys a little recap. Put about 300 extra miles on it. I think it's got right at 500 miles on it. And like I said, we haven't really babied it at all. No issues whatsoever. And we actually put bigger tires on it than what it comes with. We put some 32-inch BFG race tires on it, and they're about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 3 inches taller than what comes on it from the factory. You know, same belt from day one, same axles, A-arms, everything. You know, it's just bone stock machine, and it's handled it awesome. So if you're on the fence, you know, Pro XP, it's a legit machine. Comes with these doors. They're pretty tough. Laid it over into a few trees, just going through the tightness at like Adventure Offroad Park and Blue Holler. So the narrower machine, it goes well. It's got a lot of places to put switches, storage, you know, cell phone charger, cup holder. Cup holder back here. Like I said, it's an awesome machine. About to load it up, take it back, but just want to give you guys a little update on this thing, and tell you how much we really enjoyed it and whatnot. So I'm going to throw in some little random footage. Honestly, we've had so much fun driving this thing, we haven't really got a ton of outside film. Most time it was just me and my little boy, or maybe it was just Cantrell by himself and at some of the events, so not a lot of outside footage. But anyway, it's a great machine, can't go wrong. Big shout out to Polaris for everything they do. We really appreciate working with them. They're a great company. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments, and we'll do our best to answer them. Appreciate you guys.